Hey, it's me, Joe Mannequin again. Check it out. Guess where I'm at? Probably told you 3 or 4 times already. Right here, I'm gonna show you the sign. Florence Buc-Ees off of 995. Thursday afternoon was raining, and they made the parking lot a little bigger here. I think they did. Looks like it. And then again, here I am, Florence Buc-Ees, Florence, South Carolina. Fourth time being at Buc-Ees in Florence, and I want to check it out. I'm looking for Halloween merch. See if they have it. Y'all stay with me. You got Poppy hanging out the window. She like Buc-Ees. You like Buc-Ees? Yes, we love Buc-Ees. Molly over here said, yeah, where's the brisket? You can see, we got the window here. It is raining. We need the rain. Hopefully they'll have some good Halloween stuff in there. Check it out. Oh yeah, again. Got my new hat on, my Geo Mad Cat hat, and I got my Tennessee Buc-ee shirt on. Kinder's inside, getting some stuff, and as soon as she comes back, I'll head in there and check it out. Hey, Geo Mad Cat here. I'm at Buc-Ees in Florence. Check it out. Got all the gas pumps out there, and we have been here before, numerous times. We just looking for Halloween merch. Stay with me. Hey, before we go sit inside, let's go check out Buc-ee himself out here. Here's the Buc-ee statue for Florence, South Carolina. A little bit different than other places. Alright, sit inside. Usual merch. Let's get a basket. Activating cart can at Buc-Ees. Stay with me.
Have a nice one.
Alright, check it out. This is the Halloween shirts I got here. If you love, you got it on it. Whoa. Alright, let's get an extra large shirt for myself. Boom. Hoping they have some plushies in here. I guess they don't have the Halloween plushies yet. Who's here? No dog treats. Usual South Carolina t-shirts. You got a bunch of Buc-Ees here. Checking it out. You need a swimsuit? Right there, Buc-ee hat. You got your hats. Get your bows. And here's blankets here. Other plushies. I don't see any Halloween plushies. What is that thing? Oh, it's like, I don't know what that is. Halloween wine bottle cape. Look at that. Ain't that cool? It's a wine bottle cape. It's crazy. Got your beach blankets out here. Now, this location here at Buc-Ees to Florence is between Columbia and Myrtle Beach. So Myrtle Beach is like 60 miles from here, so it's a good stop over. Alright, let's check it out. Okay, South Carolina, Florence, Buc-Ees has a GMC truck. Okay, you've seen Dodges, you've seen Fords, you've seen Chevys. Let's check it out. This is a GMC truck. This even says General Motors truck on it, and a giant Buc-ee. Alright, check out, here's the Halloween mugs here. Double pint. Glows in the dark. Ain't that pretty cool? I don't know if I need one. I got plenty at home. Yeah, I might get one. Alright. Got a shirt and got the mug. Let's go check out see what else they got for Halloween. Alright, check it out. There's other Halloween stuff they got out here. Got some nice mugs here. You got, oh, wow, that's pretty cool mug there. Pick your poison mug. Other stuff here, got some hot cocoa toppers, some pillows, some signs here. Look at that bone-shaped domino set. I got some other stuff here. What is that? Tap room, liquor holder, I guess. You got your ravens and their skeleton plates. Some more pumpkins here. What is that? Tea kettle? Pretty cool. What is that? Mug and lid, 2-piece. Oh, that's cool. And then you got some more pumpkins here. Open daily pumpkin patch, pick your own. And you got this stuff here. That's about it. Oh, okay. What is that? Ice cool. Skull ice mode. Wow. And you got some other plates here. Seem to be it for Halloween. Hey, sometimes you don't notice when you come to Buc-Ees that they have a station here where you can actually order a sandwich the way you want. Check it out. Order here for sandwiches, hot dogs, chicken tenders, wrapped. And you get this little kiosk. You hit the kiosk. You can pick anything you want here. And it's basically build your own hot dog. Like, just check it out. Build your own hot dog. Say you want jalapenos, cheese, onions, Della, and ketchup in it. And it's $3.29 for all that there. But again, I wouldn't eat all that. But let's go back. Previous screen. Let's say you want a Texas BLT. How many you want? So you want 2. And you put all the stuff on there. That's pretty neat. Look at this. I never noticed before. They have beaver nugget gourmet candles here. What? They have a beaver nugget candle. Check that out. What is that? Signature set. I mean, I'm gonna have to get. I'm gonna have to get one of these. Wow. Check it out. Yep, I'm gonna get one of these. Awesome. And then again, you check over here. You got all the jerky you want. I also got Buc-Ees get special orders here. Okay, sliced brisket, $23 a pound. Even chop, pulled pork, even a sausage and a turkey. Awesome. Check this out. I'm at the Texas Roundup. I just ordered a 2 sliced brisket sandwich with no sauce and a special order for me. Awesome. I'm standing out in front of the drink station here. They got it all here. They got coffee down there, and we got ices. And grab my drink and get the heck out of here. This place is huge. We've been on in Sevierville, a little bit bigger than this one, but I tell you, Buc-Ees is big though. I gotta get some gas and head home. I got my stuff, got a couple sandwiches, and got a drink, and we got a salad, and I got the candle. And we get a drink, get some ice for dogs, and we'll head out of here. Thanks for watching. Hey, it's Jim again. Yeah, I'm checking out Buc-Ees and head on home. Thanks for watching. It's a cashier somewhere. Over here. Alright, thanks for watching. Hey, I almost forgot. This is what I want one of these this year. I got one for Christmas, and I want one of these here. Buc-Ee inflatable. Can't wait to get home and check it out. Look at that. Awesome. I got one. Head on out. You gotta have it, gotta have it. Got the Christmas one, now I got the Halloween one now. Awesome. All right, Poppy, how much gas is here? How much you think it is? Hey, Molly, let's take a look. Gas is $3.35. Gas has been going up the last couple of weeks. At least Buc-Ee's got 10 cents cheaper than anywhere else. All right, see you later. End of the road. Hey, it's me, Joe Man Academy at home from Buc-Ees in Florence. And I'm gonna show you my haul real quick. First of all, look what I got here. I got that 6-foot inflatable Buc-Ee, Halloween Buc-Ee. He is dressed like a vampire with a pumpkin there. It's pretty cool. I also got the Beaver Nugget Gourmet Candle. It smells like beaver nuggets. And it smells awesome. We're good. I got one of those mugs. If you're got it, haunted Halloween mug, that's pretty cool. It says it glows in the dark. You check it out. And I also got this shirt for the Halloween. That's the back of it, and the front is that. Check it out. Poppy's got to be home. Got some treats. Got to be home. And there's Molly over there. Again, that's me, Geomag Cat, and I'm back from Buc-Ees in Florence. Got some Halloween merch, and check you out later. Thanks for watching. Love you.